Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today I will guide you through how to shut off Autocorrect on Android to give you full control over your typing. This quick adjustment will stop your phone from changing your words automatically. So now, let's get started. Step 1. Open your keyboard in any app by tapping on a text field like a message box or a search bar. This action brings up your digital keypad so you can access the specific tools and settings that manage your typing experience. Step 2. Click on the settings icon on the keyboard, which usually looks like a small gear and is located in the top toolbar. This icon is the direct shortcut to your keyboard's preferences, allowing you to customize everything from layout to language without leaving your app. Step 3. Tap on text correction or corrections and suggestions within the settings menu to view your word processing options. This section is where your Android device manages how it handles your spelling, predictions, and automatic changes while you type. Step 4. Turn off the autocorrection option by toggling the switch so your phone no longer modifies the words you enter. Disabling this feature ensures that every word stays exactly as you wrote it, which is perfect for avoiding those frustrating and accidental word swaps. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.